today. We're at some mad water right now. It's a bit wet though. Just a bit. And very fucking slick. Oh, that's right. That isn't water, that is ice. Today we're climbing Iceland as well, so we've seen a few waterfalls and we're climbing Iceland. So it should be pretty mad. I should probably focus on where I'm putting my feet because I ain't trying to crack my head open on some rocks. Okay, I think my boat is broken. Right, so we can go to the top of the, up there, we can go up here and go to the top of the wall. I'll see if I have time. It's a bit wobbly. Bloody hell. It over, it's be like that. It's quite fun to just watch people slip off them rocks, fall into the water. I can't really speak though, I did it myself on the way over. Now my feet are all wet. But actually no, that's a lie. My shoes were actually waterproof for once, so that's alright. I hope I haven't missed my bus back though. I can't remember what time she said to be back on the bus. So hopefully it's still there. And I ain't missed it. Well, that'd be quite funny. Stuck at fucking waterfall. That'd be something I'd do. Where is it? I don't know, I fucking lost it. I think that's my bus, I hope so. Well, there won't be no ice glacier climbing, it will just be seeing a waterfall. I'm gonna go and check, it's just to see how long I got. If I got long enough, I go up this, go to the top. I suppose we can get underneath it as well. Maybe that's the other one, because I'm seeing more than one waterfall. So I don't know if that's the other one. Is that my bus lady? I think it might be my bus there. Hopefully one of them is. I can't remember if she said 11 or 11:30. What's the time now? It's 11:11. Make a wish. I wish to not die on a nice glacier today. I'm gonna go and check This is my bus. Right, so for the next part of the video, we are approaching the ice glacier, and you're not actually allowed to record because you need to focus where you put your feet, because there was like crevasses every now and then. But so yeah, I'm not going to be speaking, so you're just going to have to take in the noise of nature. But the clip's coming up now, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Right, I'm just going to do voiceovers to explain everything a little bit, but this was on the way up the ice glacier, but we stopped for a little break because obviously it was quite steep. Some of the people in the group needed a break, but it was a nice view, very nice view. You get a nice view over the glacier, and then shortly after this it will be us just walking back down the glacier here right now, just to see a crevasse, I think, or something. And then we went back up shortly after, but I don't know if I actually got that on camera, so I'll just let you watch the rest of this bit. And I think this might be the last clip. I should know, I'm editing it right now, but I think it's the last clip. Oh no, it's not the last clip, I'm lying. But yeah, I'll just let you enjoy this.
Singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. Oh,
Right, so this part of the video, we're about to hang over, I think it's about 100-meter deep, like ice crevasse, but they let you rope up and like hang over the edge of it, so I'll let you watch it and see for yourself.
And do one step to the left, and then down, yeah. So lean to the back. That's why we have the rope, so you can actually have a good look.
Wow. Thank you. Right, so we're currently at the bus stop for our bus tour. I don't know how well it's going to pick up. It's a massive walk. I can slightly see it. I think get my phone to it tonight. Get a good light. Is that gonna work? I don't think so. Oh, you can see it a little bit. But it's a waterfall. You can normally go under it and get pictures, but because it's too slippy, it's closed off. A bit annoying. But it's getting cold now though, it's later on. It's everywhere. I almost slipped over. It would have been quite funny if I got that on camera, really. I just laughed it off, said, oh, bit slippy out. Yeah, it's annoying the camera to pick it up, but I'll put in some photos from my phone, videos, photos from my phone. This is beautiful. Oh, there's some people go down this way. go down this bit. Hope I don't slip over. Oh, you can't see anything. I'll just cut them with there. I'll start recording in a minute. Okay, so we've made it back from the tour thing. Made it back a while ago actually. I just didn't get much at the end of the record. Because it's just it's a waterfall, but you couldn't actually see anything on the camera, so I didn't really bother. I tried to get a bit from the ice glacier, but we weren't actually allowed to record whilst doing it. So yeah, we're currently walking to like the central bit of, I don't even want to try and pronounce this, Reykjavik. Reykjavik. I'm gonna go and see that church. I don't know if it's actually a church. It's called like Skalimba. Fuck knows what it's called. But it looks cool. And that's what I'm about. And then I also didn't realise you have to be 20 to drink. So that's a bit long. Hopefully, I got served earlier on, just for a bottle of beer. I didn't get ID'd, and then I was like to my tour guide, saying about how I just turned 18, and then she was drinking beer, and she was like, oh, it's over. So I might be alright. See, before I came to Iceland, I was debating, do I get rid of the beard? But it actually might have done me a favour keeping it. Not really a beard though, it's just stubble. But might have done me a favour, I might actually get served. Who knows? I wouldn't mind a pint right now though. Should have went into a shop actually, tried my luck there. And if I don't get it, I'll just say, oh, I thought it was 18. Just something like that. Bro. I think it's about 25-minute walk from now, and I'm gonna go to the harbour after, try and see the Northern Lights again. I ain't driving. 22 minutes. So I'm gonna start recording again, and I'm closer. I've got a while to go yet. Peace. She made it to the church. Mad. I'm just gonna walk past it and go find this little street in. Try to find a bar. Try my luck, get served. And go down to the harbour. And now look at this one. I feel like I'm in Belgium again. Pretty mad day. Made it back to the hotel though, and we just got a fucking fat pizza. This is the first bit of like proper food I've had, because I've been eating like fucking crisps. Just not even food really, it's just like snacks. I've been fucking, last night I had 4 Lotus biscuits for dinner. the biscuit things. So I've got my first bit of real food. 26 quid for a pizza though, a little bit steep, but to be fair it's fucking massive. That's my hand against it. I think it's 16 inches. I probably won't be able to eat it all. Actually I don't know, I'm a fat cunt. But I'm gonna wrap the video up here, eat my pizza, have a shower, go to bed, then we've got plans for tomorrow. We're going to do the Golden Circle tour. It's just like full of like, are they called geysers or geysers? I don't know. I'm gonna call them geysers. But that'll be pretty interesting. And I don't really know the plan from there onwards. But we're here till Friday. So we'll make plans. Anyways, I'm going to eat this pizza. I'll catch you tomorrow in tomorrow's next video.